Up, up. Up. He's so pretty. You go, boy. Now he's going to hiss. Aww. Go to Papa. There you go. Go to Papa. Up. Aw, you good boy. Up. He's a good boy. Right, Milo? He's so pretty. He's so pretty. I got him. Up. Milo? Oh, look at the foot. No hissy hissy. You're a good boy. Oh, I'm not going to fall for that. You good boy. He's a sweetie. You're a feisty, happy cat. You're a good boy. You got itches? I'm afraid to touch him. He's feisty. Hey, you purring? Uh-oh. I'm not sure what that means. Aww. He's so pretty. You're a pretty cat, aren't you? Hi, Milo. Ouch! What is it? Up. Come on. Up. Kisses. Meow. Kisses. Come on. Bye-bye. 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 No. Give Mommy neighbor kiss. Make up your mind. He's so pretty. Burpee and Posse would love you. Yeah. Yeah. You would be Mr. Will's happy pet friend. Huh? Or would you fight with him because you're a boy? Kissers? I'm not going to fall for that. You're going to hurt me. Kisses? Kisses? See? Kisses? Kisses? No kisses. Aww. Oh, now you kiss me and then you walk away. You growl at me, you scratch me, and then you kiss me. Ah, you're too much. You're a good boy. You good boy. Bye-bye. Bye, Milo. Bye, Milo. Bye-bye. You're a pretty boy. Bye, Milo. Bye. Bye. Come back later. Come back tomorrow for your next meal. Goodbye.